Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make a golden chain. To be a very quick one. So you're going to general get rid of all this. Okay, let me screencast what I click, whatever I click. Middle, center. Yep. Yep. Then get rid of all this. And X to delete them. Yep. Go to, get this view, then create a choice. Yep. Then you rotate to the y-axis 90. Yep. Then you go to edit mode. That's tab. And click select the top part. Then you drag to the x-axis. No. You go to wireframe to enable you to select all. Then yep. Make sure you are accurate on this one. Yep. Then G to grab to the x-axis. Okay. Then go back to object mode, change it to, then yep, I think it's okay. Then duplicate it and move it to the to the z axis. Yep. And rotate to the z axis, then by 90. Yep. Yep. Then do this one more time. X axis. Yep. Then you're gonna click Shift R to repeat what you just did. Yep. Do it again. Make it really long. Yep. Then might wanna change this. Select all. Then set the origin to geometry to origin. That's to the center of each object in case you wanna apply the rigid body or to animate it. Yep. Then did it. But to apply more details or to animate it and to make it golden, go here, okay, new, use it metallic, and you have to select all. Coming, then you join if you want. Shift, then you select join, and it's all one now. Shading, increase metallic, reduce the roughness, go to base color, give it a gold-like color. I think is okay. Yep. Then to make it, you say shade smooth. Yep, I think this is it. Watch out for more videos. You're gonna learn how to animate this on the rigid body and make it look more realistic. So please subscribe to this channel, and if you like the video, then give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Please share it to your friends, and okay, have a nice day. God bless you.